This past year, we've seen a chip shortage that has led to a wide-scale supply chain disruption of everyday electronic goods. For example, car makers are estimated to reach a volume loss of 9.5 million cars by the end of the shortage crisis. The pandemic and other factors, such as factory fires and shipping costs, have caused this acute global chip shortage. The demand for chips is expected to continue to rise substantially in the long term. Hi, I am Avery Wanacott with Crystal Capital Partners, an alternative investment platform for financial advisors. We are always researching how the alternative investment industry seeks to capitalize on new challenges that arise. The era of 5G, Industrial Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, and artificial intelligence is expected to drive the semiconductor industry revenue to approximately $1 trillion by 2030, up from $450 billion today. Firms in Europe, China, and the Americas are all expected to lead this growth. As a result, semiconductor manufacturers are investing heavily in new automation and robotics equipment to maximize production capacity. Venture dollars are flooding the semiconductor space, with investors pouring millions of dollars into chip manufacturers. Learn how private equity and hedge funds are looking to be at the top of the chips arms race and how your clients can participate.